Kumno boro, saya simpat ngap yang subhai pi haka YouTube channel jonga English with Rudy. Haka ni ka video nginyo jingikai halor ka present simple tense kumno bantau yiki questions but ki negative sentences. Lada fimpat pe ye ka video jonga ka barim halor ka present simple tense sungubah ban pe shwai kata. But ngan bu ipi ka link jong kata ka video halor ka present simple tense haka ni ka description harum. Shuaban sedang saya simpat ngoko aban ai kuplay pi yiki comments ki jong pi ki jing ai jing mod ki jingin tu kan pham ki jong pi ki long shisha ki bai men sim nga nang ni khmat ru ngani le kat bala banthau ki videos ki ba phi kerpat inga bangan thau senang e pe ki videos jonga bawat dong clip ban subscribe te ku man chupen kan mau ka present simple tense ngi penon kam haba ngi crunch phang ki jing shisha bat ki jing le baman kapor kumbang la juli ateng hakani ka video ru ki nuksa baro kin long hakadur jong ki conversations ti aling ni pet. Are you a student? No, I am not a student. Yakani haka spoken English ngiju penlengkot pat ngiju ong? No, I'm not. Alingin page koi kanuksa? Is she your neighbor? No, she is not my neighbor. Yakani ru ngilaban penlengkot haka spoken English nginong? No, she isn't. Lani? No, she's not. Sa koi kanuksa ngini page mta? Are they in Shillong? No, they are not in Shillong. Yakani ru haka spoken English ngilabot penlengkot nginong kumno? No, they aren't. Lani? No, they are not. Ti kan mau lada haka negative form piong I am not. Haka spoken English pinong I am not. Lada piong we are not. Haka spoken English pinong we aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. She is not. She isn't. He is not. He isn't. It is not. It isn't. Kini ki negative forms ki ba PE shakamon ngiju khot yaki ru ki short forms lani ki contractions. Aling in page pat sakawai ka rukom ban penun kam yaki. I am not. I am not. Kato kasak kumju. We are not. We are not. You are not. You are not. They are not. They are not. She is not. She's not. He is not. He's not. It is not. It's not. Kini ru kiba PE hagamon. Kidai ki bangi penon kam haka spoken English kim don jing pair but kitu kinuksa ki bangi pait mene aling in ya phai biang shagi conversations hang ni pat ngin pait kumno penon kam do but does ha ka jing kli but haki negative sentence tong ni pait. Do I look tired? No, you do not look tired. Ya kani ka juba ngila ban pan kala sha ka spoken English lani ka short form inong kumno no you don't. Alingin ya jam chakman. Do you speak Hindi? No, I don't speak Hindi. Ya kaniru ngin pen kala lingkot inong kumno no I don't. Sa ko ipat kanuksa. Does she know the answer? No, she doesn't know the answer. Ya kaniru ngin pen kala lingkot haga spoken English inong no, she doesn't. Te dakini ki nuksa ki ba POE, pi la ban UI ba, ladangi penon kam ya ka negative form ngi la ban pen kala limkot yaki ngi la banong kumno. Ya ka I do not ngi la banong I don't. We do not, we don't. You do not, you don't. They do not, they don't. She does not, she doesn't. He does not, he doesn't. It does not. It doesn't. Haki jingkelipan kumno ngin penon kam ya do but does ngin page hang ni menta. Do I? Kum kanuksa ngila bano. Do I know you? Do we? Hakanuksa. Do we need to go? Do you? Do you need anything? Do they? Do they play hockey? Does she? Does she work in a bank? Does he? Does he play the guitar? Does it? Does it rain in July? Aling in pet yaki jingmut jong kini ki jingkeli hakaketin khasi. Hakaketin khasi dong ong do I know you? Kamut kumno hakaketin khasi. Ngalaju kunduk teng ya pi. Do we need to go? Ngidon kamban lain. Do you need anything? Pidon kam AA. Do they play hockey? Kijule kai hockey. Does she work in a bank? Katre ha bank. Does he play the guitar? Ujutem guitar. Does it rain in July? Kajuslap ha ubanai July. Timentapat aling ini persyang banjubab yakini ki jingkeli daka bapenon kam yaki negative sentence. Do I know you? No, I don't. Do we need to go? No, we don't. Do you need anything? No, I don't. Do they play hockey? No, they don't. Does she work in a bank? No, she doesn't. Does he play the guitar? No, he doesn't. Does it rain in July? No, it doesn't. POE hang ni ngapunon kam yaki short form. Kibangi penon kam haka spoken English. Mentapat ngin persyang ban ai jubab yakini ki jingkeli daka penon kam yaki positive sentence. Aling ini pen. Do I know you? Yes, you know me. Haka spoken English ngin penlingkot ngin angkum no. Yes, you do. Do we need to go? Yes, we need to go. Yes, we do. Do you need anything? Yes, I need a pencil. Yes, I do. Do they play hockey? Yes, they play hockey. Yes, they do. Does she work in a bank? Yes, she works in a bank. Yes, she does. Does he play the guitar? Yes, he plays the guitar. Yes, he does. Does it rain in July? Yes, it rains in July. Yes, it does. Da fipet ba ki jubab ki basan bah nrio wat banyo ngilap ba ha kini ki verbs ngi penon kam ya us. Te kumno ban penon kam ya us ha kanu ko por ngin penon kam ya us aling ini pen. Ladang ngi penon kam ya ki subject he, she but it. Ya ki verb ngin hab ban bu ya us. Kata kamut ngin habat nong kumno. He knows. She plays. It rains. Ha ki negative form pat. Yo subject he, she but it ngin haban bu da ki helping verb doesn't. Tipet bahang ni pat ya ki verb mene no, play but rain mdon kam shu ban bu s. Kata kamut kan long kumno. He doesn't know. She doesn't play. It doesn't rain. Haka jingkeli pat. Ladang ipu you subject he, she but it. Kan mau ya penun kam ya ki helping verb does. Ringkat baru does. Kinwan segi subject he, she but it. Nang tapat ki verb no, play but rain hang ni ru POE ba ngim don kam shu ban bu s. Ha kini ki verb. Ngalapan kre arjat kikilan nakabenta jong pi kani kikilan peningkong ngit penkela yakini ki senten sha ki jingkeli ka senten peningkong she plays tennis dangi penkela sha jingkeli kan longkum no. Does she play tennis? Sentence bar. They watch movies on Fridays. Ka jingkeli. Do they watch movies on Fridays? He reads books every evening. Kani pat kan long kum no try ka jingkeli. Does he read books every evening? I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Ka jingkeli kan long kum no. Do I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.? The dog barks loudly. Question. Does the dog bark loudly? Hakani kakilan ga baar ngin penkela yakini ki senten syaki negative sentence. Aling ini pet. I like chocolate. Kani ti kasuk Dengan ipan kelas ke negative sentence kan long. I don't like chocolate. Number 2, she sings beautifully. Kan negative sentence kan long kumno. She doesn't sing beautifully. Number 3, they visit their grandparents every week. Ya kan iru da ipan kelas ke negative. Ngin lihat kumno. They don't visit their grandparents every week. Number 4, he watches TV in the morning. Kan negative sentence kan long kumno. He doesn't watch TV in the morning. Number 5, we play soccer on Sundays. Kan negative sentence kan long kumno hang ni. We don't play soccer on Sundays. Ngakarmen bapila syai halor kani ka present simple tense. Te dapidon kinu jingkli sungo bahaban bu yaki haki comments harum. Ka present simple tense kalong ka topic bayan te nang ni sakmat ru kidang bun syu ki benta kiba ngin say kren halor kani. Mentang sing tang kani publish bun ngin say kendo pat.